Hi everyone, I am here today to announce the winner of the March Subbie challenge. I know you've all been dying to find out who is the winner, and thank you all to everyone who took part. We had 10 wonderful entries, and these are all the goodies here that have arrived in the post, and honestly just absolutely gorgeous. I'm not going to get them all out, but these are all of the entries. So there are 10 of you that took part. I'm going to move these to one side. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness me. See, I make such a mess. Now, this is what is up for grabs. This gorgeous journal that I made. I'm not going to open it all up, but it is, no, actually, shall I open it all up and just have a quick peek inside? So this is the journal, and it's got lots of lovely, gorgeous old ephemera in it, lots of fabric and lace and trim and old book pages, coffee dyed papers, lots of lovely ephemera, and, you know, little journaling spots, etc. in it, tags. So this is what is up for grabs, and like I said, there are 10 of you that took part. So let me just do this up quickly, and then I shall tell you, we shall find out, because I don't know who's going to win, because I haven't put your names in the bowl yet. Right, okay, let's put this to one side. Here is my bowl here, and I've got the 10 entries here. So we've got the lovely thorough. So I'm going to pop this, I'm going to fold these up and put them in the bowl. Then we have the lovely Lisa, who's Crafty Lady Lisa on YouTube. Oh, I've dropped it on the floor, haven't I? Oh, better pick it up. Right, so sorry, that was Lisa, Crafty Lady Lisa. And then we have Lisa, who is Crafting Diva on YouTube. And then we have the lovely Claire Sykes. Had such lovely entries. They were just so gorgeous. I've been super excited to find out who's going to win. Then the wonderful Sue Harvey. Your name is going in there, my lovely. And then the lovely Joanne from Joanne's Crafts. Just gorgeous entries that arrived. Oh my gosh, they're just fantastic. The wonderful Christine Mortimer, and her lovely entry as well. So Christine, you are going in there too. Then we have Debbie Vignola. So thank you, Debbie, for your wonderful entry as well. And then we have Marieville 55, who's Valentina, but she's Marieville 55 on YouTube. Valentina, what a lovely name. Thank you so much for your entry, my lovely. And the wonderful Judith McPherson, who sent in a lovely entry as well. So there's the 10 names going in, and we're going to give these a really, really good mix up. Get them all mixed up. Right, okay, let's do that. And I am closing my eyes, even though you can't see me. So it's going to close my eyes and stop just there. And we're going to see who is the lucky winner of this journal. Are you ready, everyone? Let's have a look and see who has won. And it is the fantastic Christine Mortimer. So well done, Chris. Oh my gosh, you won the journal. OMG. Oh my gosh, well done to everyone who took part. I mean, honestly, I cannot thank you all enough. You know, it was just wonderful. And I know I keep saying I was going to put up the April Subbie challenge. I will do it probably tomorrow now, because there's quite a lot involved in it, and there's quite a lot of goodies that are being given away. So that's why it's took me a little bit longer than planned. So Christine, I do have your address. So I will pop her in the post. Look how gorgeous she is. I absolutely love this journal. She is one of my favorites. And she is going to a good home. Look how beautiful she is. Isn't she beautiful? But thank you all so much for taking part. I will be doing the next Subbie challenge and also a lovely, great giveaway tomorrow as well. So keep watching. Thank you to everyone again who took part. And I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.